Hello WordPress people. So in this video we are going to talk about new directive. So in my previous video I talked about wp watch directive, and now in this video I'm going to talk about wp-init and wp run. So if you are new to this video, I would recommend to start watching this playlist from the beginning so that you know what we are doing in this video. Otherwise continue watching. So this is my local WordPress setup, and this is my custom block plugin, and this is my files. I'm gonna start npm for my plugin, so I will open this. And let's start npm. So npm has been started. I will quickly open two files which we are working regularly, render.php and then view.js. So let's jump into the code. So first directive is wp-init. It's by its name we can simply know that it runs a callback when the node is created. So I am not gonna do any excessive work here. So let's say this is the p tag here, and now if I add data wp-init and I want to run a callback, text init. So when the node is created, node means this tags node is created, then this function will be executed. So in the view.js callback section, I'm gonna add that callback function here, and I will simply do console.log, and I would say text initialized. And now I will, so this is the post I have added for the interactivity. So my block is there, interactivity, and I will open the console and let's refresh this page. And as you can see, the text initialized is executed. So whenever the node is there, this text is initialized. Text will initialized. So this is the use of this function. Now another function is another directive is the wp run. Now wp run execute right after the init. Now why do we need this wp run directive? So while working with React, we might need to use this hook like use state, use watch, use effect. So this hooks doesn't work when the node is created. So once the node is created, after that this directive will work. So for that this directive is there. So now if I try to add data wp and then run on the same tag, then I would, and then if I add another function called text run, sorry about that, and if I add that text run function under the callback section, now we will see which one is executed first. I'm gonna do hard refresh here, and text is initialized and text is run. So text ran first and then init. Okay, so yeah, I think I was wrong. Run executed first and then the text initialized. So and this is for to run this state like hooks like use state, use watch, and use effect. So here, if we see the example here, there is a one function which is using use effect and all that. So that function can be used in this wp run directive. This can't run with the init. So yeah, I hope you now understood the difference of init and run. So yeah, these are the wp-init and run. I have never used this in any of the block I built till now. So yeah, I mean, this is up to you where to use. But I think these are one of the directive which you might never use in your blog. But yeah, in my whole blog development journey, I have never used this directives. So in the future, we will actually build a block, interactive block using all of the directives. Then during that, you will understand how all this works. This is just the intro of wp-init and run. And that's it. Yeah, if you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Jai Somnath, Har Har Mahadev. Hey there, so if you are new to Gutenberg development, then I would recommend to visit this site, the wp-voyage.com. This site has very good tips and tricks regarding the Gutenberg development.